In today's video, we're going through the definitive guide for creating a work breakdown structure in less than 90 seconds. So let's get started. The work breakdown structure is a key tool that you can use to manage your project scope, which allows you to split up big chunks of work into smaller pieces so you can manage them better, assign them to your team members, and prepare your schedule and your cost estimates. Start off by going from the top down, what's called decomposition. Split and divide your project into small pieces, smaller pieces, and finally, smaller pieces until you have a size that you can manage. Remember, you're transforming your big project into chunks of project deliverables that you can assign your team members to work on. Take, for example, the development of a car. Break down this project into big buckets of things to completely execute your project. Research and development, manufacturing, and verification of testing. Decompose each of these areas into the work that's required for executing each of these categories. So for research and development, it will consist of component identification, chassis design, and suspension design. Manufacturing would consist of chassis manufacturing, suspension system manufacturing, and assembly. And finally, verification testing would require test reports for welding, braking, and acceleration tests. Keep decomposing your project until you reach the lowest level, the work package, and you'll obtain the finished WBS, which looks like the following. And that's how you create a work breakdown structure. For the other videos in this series for how to create a WBS, check out the video links in the show notes and the description below. So thank you so much for checking out today's video. Definitely subscribe for more CAPM and PMP training videos just like this one. And if you like this video, share this with a friend, smash that like button, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Until next time, it's Alvin the PM helping you pass your CAPM and PMP exam, and I'll see you in next week's video.